Let's take a look at the impact of Trump's victory yesterday on the stock market. Pretty positive. So Tesla is up $37.09, 14.75%. Shows that 288.53. Put market we are down just a little bit. So let's take a look at what this means on our chart. So we had the bullish channel. This is our bullish channel right here. Still into this bullish channel, but at the same time, we could not break 273.79. 273.79, also known as 265.32, remember. And then boom. And then boom, we have a gap up. We have a gap up. We have a big break. We closed above 273.79. So from a breaking a resistance point of view, this is the buy. This is the buy impulse. There's an imbalance between the buyers and sellers. Yes, it is high. We have a big gap there, and maybe the gap is going to be filled, and maybe not also. We never know. Some gaps get filled, but some. So nobody really knows if we are going to get filled. We cannot say gaps always get filled soon after. We cannot say that. We cannot say that. We have the buy signal right here. This is Tesla, as I always say, this is Tesla stock. Tesla stock does not go slow and then break it like this. When it breaks, it just happens in the morning and boom, it gaps up. So then if you are not into Tesla, what do you do? Do you buy at that point? That's a very good question. I'm going to tell you what I did because I was not into Tesla yet. I cut a swing right here. I cut a swing there. I cut a swing there. So I was not into it, but now I am back into it. I should put this little green thing. So what I did this morning is that early in the morning, I looked at the opening and I looked at the 5-minute chart. The 1-hour chart I find is too long in order to see something, in order to get a good entry. So I switched on the 1-hour charts. And then, yes, it opened above 284.24, boom. And then it started to go down. So I was happy to see it go down. And then it started to go a little bit higher. But, it didn't mean necessarily that it was going to break back this 284. And as a matter of fact, this 284.24 was not that easy to break. We stopped before and we broke it. Then we came down a few times before really staying above it. I got in at that point where I saw that things were holding. We had another pullback that came close to the support and then continued higher. So boom, this is what it is. So I switched on the 5-minute chart to really fine tune the entry exactly. This is what I mentioned also in my community on Discord. I mentioned at this point right there. So hopefully this is going to continue. We never know. Nothing's for sure. Don't think that there's a way to be sure. There's no way to be sure. It looks super good. Now let's look at the rest of the market in order to be a little bit more sure that what is happening with Tesla is also happening with the rest of the market. If it's only Tesla that's going higher and the market is tanking, then there is more chance that we could be tanking eventually. So let's take a look at the VIX. The VIX that we are taking a look at a lot. Well, the VIX took a plunge, which is fantastic because when the VIX goes down, the stock market goes up. So we are down 20%, 4.24, and we are at 16.26. So this is pretty dramatic. So the stock market, the fear is just gone in the stock market. The fear is gone. So I assume people are expecting that the economy is going to go better with Trump at the helm. We'll see that, but basically this is what the market is telling us. So VIX going down. So this is good news for us trying to make money here. Let's take a look at Dow Jones. Boom, 3.57%. Big move up for Dow Jones. Still into the bullish channel. We had lost stochastic over 60. Now, boom, it back in at 97. S&P 500 by SPX super, super strong. And, it's as if the market knew because we never got lower than this support right here. We came close, but we did not see much catastrophe there. Just getting back to support, waiting for the news. And boom, this is what's happening. NASDAQ, big move also up 2.74. So markets are reacting very, very well. I'm going to be posting the other buy signals that we might have had for Apple, Amazon, AMD, blah, blah, blah in my Discord community. But, great move. Let's hope that it continues. And in terms of economic news, we still have on Thursday the Fed interest rate decisions. So the expectations is that he is going to lower the interest rate by 0.25% after the 0.5% that we had not too long ago. So I think this is already baked in. So unless he changes his mind, if he changes his mind and decides to hold, then maybe this is going to have a bad effect. But if he lowers everything by 0.25%, I think things are just going to continue and maybe with a little bit more speed. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my trading affiliate link. Gonna wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you